In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to fix Fallout 4 full screen. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna give you easy to follow instructions on how to properly fix any issues attributed to Fallout 4 not launching on full screen or crashing when you try to set it up on your main monitor, secondary monitor, and so on. So basically, this usually happens because the game is having trouble reading certain setting files on your computer. So there's two locations for these files. First, go over to Documents and then My Games. In here, you will be able to find the Fallout 4 folder, including all of these INI files here. What you have to do is open the Fallout 4 prefs or preferences.ini file with Notepad. Usually you can just right click this and then add it in Notepad or open with Notepad, whatever you prefer. Once you open this file in Notepad, you will see that there are a bunch of lines here of code, and we have to look for a specific one. We have to look for B top most window, maximize window, borderlands, full screen, and then the size, meaning the height and the width. So the quickest way to find these is just to go over to the display category. So if you look for display, eventually you will be able to find this category here. If you cannot find the display category, just look for any of these words here, such as borderless, full screen, size, and so on. And now you just have to copy these parameters. So I'm gonna zoom in if you want to see them closer, and you will be able to change them as needed. So change full screen to 1, find borderless, change it to 1, and basically repeat the same steps with all of these settings here. By doing this, whenever you open the game, it is going to read this file correctly, and it is going to override any settings that it might have been set up with before. So as soon as you change all of this, you will be good to go. And afterwards, you can just go and open the game. As long as everything here is set up like this and you save this file, don't forget, it should work flawlessly. Sometimes you might also have to go into the Steam apps folder, and you will also be able to find Fallout 4 prefs. You will notice that I created this file as an example because I don't have Fallout 4 installed on my computer at the moment, but the idea is the same. Just go over to Steam apps, common, Fallout 4, and find the Fallout 4 prefs INI file, and change these settings in there as well. I hope I was able to help you on how to fix Fallout 4 full screen. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.